Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Till he just need to sign it into the website, and he just need to enter his particular location. For example, he want to go from Mumbai to Bangalore. Then after putting his location, the desired location, all the flights in that particular location will be listed for him, and also the prices will be listed, so that he can choose that particular flight. And also the best prices that will be available or that suit in his range. So again, if he goes through the agent, then that will be kind of it would go expensive for him, because they normally charge some extra fees too. Now, talking about the software requirements which we'll be using, uh, we will normally focus on the front end development, the back end development, and also the databases. Ideally, we'll be using MySQL 8.0 for the connectivity. And most importantly, we will be hosting the website on the cloud platform. And after that, the website will also be integrated through payment gateway. Now, once the customer, once he books his flight, and once he is all set to go, he just for the transaction purpose, he need to go through the payment gateways. And different of different companies will be there, for example Google Pay, Visa, and so on. So with this, he can do the requirements. And also will implement the Google APIs. Now, uh, so that no need for the user to sign into to create a new account for the website. Like once he has already created the website, he just need to log in into the website. So with the help of the APIs, it will be very much easy for the customer to enter into the website.
So what's different between our project and the already existing project? So once the user enters a flight, suppose from Mumbai to Delhi, so our project will also show the hotels available in Delhi. It will recommend it. So for that, we'll be building a recommendation system using collaborative filtering, and we'll take care of all the personalization touches, like how the user wants it and everything. And also based on user's past history, whether he has like 3-star hotels or 5-star hotels, we'll be recommending it to him. Now also in the project, we'll be implementing sentiment analysis, because we want to recommend him the best hotels available. And the reason why we chose this project is because we wanted to build a project that would be of beneficial to both the businessman as well as the user. Because with the current pandemic, like all the businesses around the world have shut down. So with our project, the drive sales and the revenue can increase substantially, and also the user will get a much better user experience, because he'll be shown the flights as well as the hotels on the same page.